और अगली प्रतिभागी हैं रियान मारिया क्रिस्टस तमिलनाडु से।
Namaste. Good morning to one and all. I am Riann Maria Christus, a student of Don Bosco School of Excellence, Chennai, and a proud Indian. Who do you think fits well with this quote? Think big, trust yourself, and make it happen. It's none other than the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He believed that unity alone holds the key to the peace, happiness, development, and prosperity of our nation. That is why he toiled very hard and worked against all odds to unite the 565 princely states to build the Republic of India. The whole nation salutes this barrister-turned-nationalist for his steely determination and remarkable achievement. The 182-meter-tall Statue of Unity stands as an iconic symbol of our indebtedness to the values this noble soul stood for. We thank our Honorable Prime Minister for inaugurating the Statue of Unity and dedicating it to the Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel believed that manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power. This self-made visionary leader rose to become the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of Free India. We are now 75 years into a free India, and Sardar Patel continues to inspire us. His steadfastness and sacrifice, loyalty and love for our Bharat reminds us to follow the footsteps of our great leader, dedicating ourselves for the development, integrity, and most prominently, the unity of India. Sardar Patel shall be lauded for his struggle that made us one nation. As the Tamil poet Kanniyan Pungundranar rightly said 3,000 years ago, Yadum Ure Yavaram Kelir, meaning, I am a citizen of the world and everyone in the world is my kin. Sardar Patel has been the one binding force among the diversity of our nation. As students and citizens, let us resolve to uphold the vision he had. There is a beauty and power in unity. Thank you, Jai Hind.
थैंक यू रियान मारिया क्रिस्टस। सरदार पटेल के विचार हम